That green spiral is very good. Try adding some yellow next to it. You are doing wonderfully. Little Kitten worked very hard on this drawing of a touring motorcycle.
Wow! Look at it go!
That is so cool!
It's amazing!
It certainly is. Keep dreaming big, little one. Stay safe out there, officer.
Will do, Mama Cat. See you later, kids.
And then the police officer drove right past on the motorcycle. It was amazing!
That sounds wonderful, sweetie. You can be anything.
Always be careful when using a knife. Safety first, then we dice the tomatoes nice and evenly. The stew is just about done.
It smells so good, Mama Cat.
And that is how you properly stir fry.
Wow, Mama Cat, it looks delicious. We did it, children. We have enough for the special purchase. We're finally getting the new tractor.
Hooray! Mama Cat, can we get this one? Please, can we?
Okay, sweetie. You've been very good.
Let's get it! That will be $5, please.
Here you are.
Thank you! Yay, new cars! Go faster, this is so much fun! Whee! Look at me, I'm flying!
Hi, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Please subscribe so you don't miss any fun. Look, sweetie, the rocking horse is ready for an adventure. Shall we see where it goes? Keep your paws steady and let the saw do the work. Nice and slow.
Like this, Mama Cat. We did it!
How do you know where to stop sawing?
Just follow the line gently, like this. You'll get the hang of it.
It's amazing!
I'm glad you like it, sweetie. Now hold on tight. Go ahead and pick your favorite color, dear.
I'll use the yellow.
That looks wonderful. That's it, just a few more touches on the bridle. You're such talented little artists.
We're helping.
Hold the brush steady, sweetie.
Like this, Mama Cat.
Exactly right. You're doing wonderfully. Just like that, gently dab the brush. You're doing wonderfully, little ones. There we are, perfectly safe now.
Oh, thank you, Mama. It's wonderful.
Look what we made, kids. It's wonderful. I love it, Mama Cat. It's the best rocking horse ever.
Don't forget to subscribe.
That way we can all stay connected. What a perfectly lovely day for a picnic, wouldn't you agree?
The best day ever, Mama.
Keep your paws steady now. There's a bite. We got one.
We got one!
Wow, what a catch!
I think I've got a bite.
Wow, reel it in, Mama Cat. It looks huge. catch, Mama Cat?
The biggest one yet!
That fish looks perfectly grilled.
I'm so excited for lunch, Mama.
This fish is wonderful. Make sure you eat your salad, too.
Okay, Mama. It's all so yummy.
Dig in, everyone. It's fresh off the boat.
Wow, Mama Cat, I am so full. That was delicious.
What a beautiful day for a ride through the village.
Look, Mama Cat. Look at the big cornfield.
Keep your eyes on the bobber now. Any second.
Gotcha! You did it, Mama Cat! Hooray!
Look at that wonderful golden honey, sweetie.
It looks delicious, Mama.
There we go, that piece should do it.
It's nice and hot now, Mama. We can start cooking.
Just a little longer now. The honey glaze is caramelizing nicely.
I can hardly wait. It smells wonderful.
Okay, kittens, here is the plan for the bake sale tomorrow. We'll put the strawberry tarts right here. We have to mix the herbs in gently so the rice doesn't break.
Can I try, Mama? Are we doing it right, Mama?
Just like that, keep practicing and they will be perfect bite-sized balls.
Are you having fun, sweetie?
Yes, Mama Cat. I love delivering treats with you. You all worked so hard today. You deserve this treat.
This is the best ice cream ever, Mama.
We finally have it! All our hard work paid off!
Wow! Look at the new game console! I got it! I beat the level!
Hooray! You did it, sweetie! Good job!
Way to go! I can't do it, Mama.
Try tapping the brake gently right before the turn.
I got it! We won! Hooray! Great job!
Let's get to work, everyone! Remember to be gentle with the young sprouts. We didn't mean to. We're sorry. It's all right, darlings. Let's gather them up.
Here's your water, Mama.
Thank you, my little ones. I feel a bit better now.
That's it, gently under the water. You're a natural chef.
I want to help you feel better, Mama.
Gently now, keep your paws steady.
I did it, Mama Cat.
I am so proud of you. Just like that, nice and slow. You're doing wonderfully.
It smells delicious.
I can't wait to eat the fish soup.
Look, Mama. The village is just over the hill.
It is beautiful, isn't it? And these cherry blossoms smell wonderful.
Excellent work, kittens.
Hooray! We finished the birdhouse! Wonderful job, little ones. It looks beautiful.
Hooray! We finished it.
Great work, everyone. There we go, perfectly placed.
Look, Mama Cat.
The bird moved in.
It turned out perfectly. The birds love it, Mama Cat.
Isn't this fun?
Goodbye, everyone.
See you later. Have a safe trip. Have a wonderful time exploring the village, kittens. Be back before sunset. You're doing great, sweetie. Keep pulling.
I'm trying my best, Mama. Look how fast I am. Are you okay, Mama?
I am now, dear. It feels much better when you're near me.
You did it, sweetie.
What a wonderful fish!
Look, Mama. Fresh fish for dinner. I caught them myself.
Why, thank you, sweetie. You did a wonderful job. Let's get cooking. Almost home now, sweetie. You're doing wonderfully.
I know, Mama. We need to get this fish back for dinner. Mama Cat, look! We brought the fish!
Oh, wonderful job, little ones. Come inside, let's get these ready for dinner.
All done, Mama. Freshly roasted just for you.
You did such a good job, little one. It looks delicious. Oh, my sweet kitten. Thank you for taking such good care of Mama. Look at this wonderful berry, kittens. Let's put it in the basket.
It looks delicious, Mama. Hold on tight back there. We're almost home. Whee! This is fun. Faster, Mama, faster.
These are the best berries ever.
Be careful not to eat them too fast now. We add the sugar. Stir it gently.
Look how thick and bubbly it's getting, kittens. It smells wonderful.
It smells so good, Mama. Is it ready yet?
Looks delicious, doesn't it? All right, who's ready for a snack?
There you go, kittens. Be careful now, it's still a bit warm.
Thank you, Mama Cat. It smells lovely. This tea party is splendid. Indeed. And these cookies are the best I've ever tasted. What a beautiful day.
Look at the big corn stalks.
I wonder where this path goes. Try this puzzle next. Ooh, can I try the purple one?
We must scan every listing carefully. Our new home is waiting for us right here.
Your qualifications look excellent, particularly your enthusiasm for cleanliness. Welcome to the Bathhouse team.
Thank you so much. I won't let you down. And this button right here activates the kneading massage feature. Wow, that looks incredible. We'll take 2. Here is that special gift wrapped up for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Goodbye. See you soon.
This way, Mama Cat. You're almost there.
Am I getting warmer?
I can't see a thing. Keep going.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear friends. All right, everyone, time to celebrate. Let's see what's inside the yellow box.
Oh boy, presents.
Oh, you poor little things. What are you doing out here in the rain?
Can we help them, Mama Cat?
Oh dear, it's starting to rain.
Pedal quickly, children. We must get these birds dry. The best walk ever!
Look how high the water goes.
Be careful you don't slip. Look at this, everyone!
Wow, wave it faster.
I'm gonna get it! It's Mama's birthday today.
We should bake her a cake.
Let's keep it a secret.
We should build a surprise treehouse for the party.
Wow, that's the best secret ever. I finished rolling the sushi, Mama Cat.
It looks perfect, dear. We'll have plenty for the party. Happy birthday! Hooray! Happy birthday, Mama Cat!
Hooray!
See, little kitten, you just peel it like this.
Wow, Mama Cat. I did it too.
Look how clean you are now, sweetie. We did it! You're sparkling pink!
All clean now, little one.
I feel so sparkly, Mama Cat. A little bit of butter makes the corn just right.
It looks ready, Mama Cat.
This is gonna be the best caramel corn ever. See how the sugar is melting.
Yay, it's working. Popcorn, popcorn.
Careful, everyone, it's very hot.
This popcorn is delicious. Yum, yum.
Best snack ever. This is the best batch yet.
Absolutely delicious.
My favorite snack.
What a beautiful day for our walk to the village. These flowers smell lovely.
It is wonderful, Mama Cat.
Wow, look at the big trees.
Yes, the forest is beautiful today, sweetie. Have a wonderful time at the village, everyone. Bye. See you later. Almost done, sweetie. You are such a good puppy. Look how clean he is.
I'm gonna get you.
Ah, too much water!
See, kittens, you have to knead the dough firmly like this to make the pizza crust perfect. The pizza is in. It will be ready in just a little while. Hooray! We can hardly wait.
This pizza is so delicious.
It is the cheesiest pizza ever.
This tea blend is simply delightful, isn't it?
Oh, yes, Mama, and the treats are wonderful.
Best tea party ever.
You know what month it is?
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama Cat!
We love you.
You found all the matches. Time to snuggle up now, it's getting late.